vocabulary questions practice. So listen carefully. Today our grammar and vocabulary practice questions. You know already model of the question paper for this year. So section A, comprehend passage and unseen passage, up to 15 questions are there. When you come to the section B, there is a grammar and vocabulary. In that one, already the answers here. 17th question. See the question first. Combine the following sentences using who, which, that, where. What are these? These are the relative pronouns. Relative clauses lo relative pronouns. How you have to be use the question. See the first question. Some people region. They must wear thick woolen clothes. So you have to use who relative pronoun and answer the question. Now I'm going to ask someone. You can answer that girl only. If you know the answers, you can raise your hands. Copy down the question. You can write the answer and raise your hands. Okay. 3 members only. What about remaining girls? Very easy. G. Hemalata. Answer.
Some people live in North Pole region. They must wear thick woolen cloths. Combine the sentence with
Clothes.
some people who lives in North Pole region must wear thick woolen cloths.
Very good. Right answer. You know already some people. And in the second sentence, they is a same subject. Same subject వచ్చినప్పుడు where we have to use first subject పక్కన who అనేది use చేయాలి. Already the rules in previous class I explained where you have to use the relative pronouns, how you have to use the relative pronouns. Very good. Next question. Check it yourself, all of you. Stephen Hawking won the Albert Einstein Award. He became a Fellow of the Royal Society at the age of 32. So again here the relative pronoun who used. So the answer has to be okay. Hamida. Hamida, answer the
Okay,
question.
madam. Stephen Hawking, who won the Albert Einstein Award. Madam, question.
Albert Einstein Award.
Albert Einstein Award. Madam, question.
He became a
కనబడుకుంది మేడం.
కనబడకుండా. Now you can.
He became a fellow of the Royal
Society. Royal Society at the age of 32. Who used Chema?
Stephen Hawking, who won the Albert Einstein Award. He became a full.
Wrong answer. Venkateshwari.
Stephen Hawking, who won the Albert Einstein Award, became a fellow of. Madam, question కనిపిస్తలేదు.
Now he became a
fellow
you
of,
won't get.
fellow of the Royal Society, at the age of 32.
Yes, right answer. When you are using relative pronoun, again in the second sentence, you should not write the pronoun mahi and చేయకూడదు. Stephen Hawking and he are the both subject. ఒక person గురించే చెప్తున్నారు కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ పక్కనే మనము who అనేది రాస్తాము. Now next question. But can you able to visible the screen, all of you?
Yes, madam.
Okay, ma'am.
So now question has to be go from Anusha.
The first car.
Third question.
The first car was made by Henry Ford. It has no reverse gear. Answer. The first car was made by Henry Ford, which has no reverse gear.
Yeah, which is the one of the relative pronoun. We can use things already, so she's the right answer, the correct one. Next one, Pratyusha.
The place is very beautiful. Talisman. Yeah, it's very beautiful. It is famous
Pratyusha
all
was
over the world. Wow.
Madam, now madam,
ఆన్సర్ నాకు నీ వాయిస్
Which-
క్లియర్ గా లేదు. ఓకే లక్ష్మీదేవి ఓకే మా లక్ష్మీదేవి రిమూవ్ ద హ్యాండ్. వాట్ గర్ల్స్ ఓన్లీ 1 2 3 4 మెంబర్స్ ఓన్లీ ఆన్సర్డ్ రైజింగ్ హ్యాండ్స్. వాట్ అబౌట్ ఆల్? నేను అందరిని అడుగుతాను అంతే ఇప్పుడు. ప్రశాంతి
Madam,
ఆన్సర్.
మేడం మీనాక్షి చెప్తాను.
Palace is very beautiful. It is famous all over the world. The palace is very beautiful, which is famous all over the world.
ఓకే నౌ మీనాక్షి ఆన్సర్ ఫిఫ్త్ క్వశ్చన్.
Okay. The fourth lane of this colony is very nice. Our MLA is living there. Using where, madam? The fourth lane of this colony is very nice. Where our MLA is living there.
ఓకే రైట్ ఆన్సర్. బికాస్ వేర్ అనేది ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి కాలనీ అని ఇస్ వెరీ కాలనీ ఇస్ వెరీ నాయిసీ. వేర్ అనేది అక్కడ వస్తుంది, కాలనీ దగ్గర వస్తుందమ్మా. ఓకే ద రిప్రజెంటింగ్ యర్ ప్లేస్ కాలనీ. So that's why this side we have to be right there. Okay, very good. You told very nice answers. Now combine the following sentences using perfect participle. This is the omitted from your syllabus, so no need. We have to go for the question of change the following into passive voice, active voice and passive voice. Carefully observe. Have you able to see the screen? Screen kanipistundi kada?
yes, madam.
So now let us start the first question. Madhavi Lata.
His mom invented a special plastic device.
Hmm.
A special plastic device was invented by his mom. Ma'am.
Very good, right answer. Next, నేను హ్యాండ్ రైజింగ్ వాళ్ళనే కాదు వేరే వాళ్ళని కూడా అడుగుతున్నాను ఇప్పుడు. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ ఫ్యూ గర్ల్స్ ఓన్లీ రైజ్ దేర్ హ్యాండ్స్. వాట్ సంధ్య? జీ సంధ్య. జీ సంధ్య, ఆన్సర్ ద క్వశ్చన్. సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్. గౌతమి. మా ఏం జీ సంధ్య వాట్ షీ ఈస్ డూయింగ్? Okay, Priyanka, answer the question. Second question.
They have stolen your clock and bureau. Your
Bureau.
clock and bureau has been stolen by them.
యా ఇక్కడ హ్యావ్ ఇచ్చినారు, ఈ అమ్మాయి హ్యాస్ యూజ్ చేసింది. ఒక అమ్మాయి నాకు పిడిఎఫ్ ఫైల్ పంపించింది ఆన్సర్ రాసి. సో మా హ్యాస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మాత్రమే బీన్ వస్తుంది. ఐ హ్యావ్ టు బి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ గా ఉన్నప్పుడు వెరీ గుడ్. నో, మా హ్యావ్ బీన్ కాదు, ఇక్కడ హ్యాస్ బీన్ రావాలి. అమ్మాయి చెప్పింది కరెక్ట్. ఎందుకంటే క్లాక్ అండ్ బీరువా ఇస్ రిప్రజెంటింగ్ ఇట్ థర్డ్ పర్సన్ సింగులర్. సో థర్డ్ పర్సన్ సింగులర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు హ్యావ్ కాకుండా హ్యాస్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ దే వచ్చింది కాబట్టి హ్యావ్ యూజ్ చేసినారు. అకార్డింగ్ టు దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి చేంజ్ లైక్ దట్. క్లాక్ అండ్ బీరువా హ్యాస్ బీన్ స్టోలెన్ by them is the right answer. Okay, this is the right answer. Next question. Manjula. Aishwarya. Manju Bhargavi. What ma they are be switch on their they join the class and they are sleeping. I didn't understand what those girls. Prashanti. Meenakshi. Okay, Prashanti, answer the question. Question number third. Mrs. Slater is lying the table.
The table is being laid by Mr. Slater.
Huh? Is it right answer, Pratyusha?
Madam,
Laid.
laying ki V3 form in
Laid.
Ah,
laid, madam. The table is being laid by
The
Mr.
table
Slater.
is being laid by Mr. Slater, ma'am.
By Mr.
Mrs. అని చదవాలమ్మాయి.
Mrs. Slater, madam.
Next question. Manju Bhargavi,
Madam,
answer the fourth question.
my parents had arranged my marriage. Answer, madam. My marriage had been arranged by my parents.
Okay, right answer. G Sandhya,
Yes, ma'am.
answer the fifth question.
My father was carrying my luggage on his back. My luggage is being carried by my father on his back.
Why you are using is?
Was being made.
Was being carried, ma'am.
అక్కడ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్ లో వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏం వస్తుందో చెప్పినా నేను బీ ఫామ్ ఐఎన్జి కలపాలి అన్నాను. హౌ కెన్ యూ ఫర్గెట్ ద రూల్స్ మా? Okay, next. Repeat Sandhya. Answer correct it yourself. Once again, I'm giving the chance
My
to you.
luggage was being carried by my father on his back.
Okay. Next question. N. Rajeshwari.
His human
Yes.
concern absolutely stunned me.
His human concern absolutely stunned me. చెప్పమ్మాయి, మీ అనేది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ తీసుకో. మీ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది?
Hi, madam.
మరి స్టన్డ్ అనేది వర్బ్ ఇక్కడ.
I am stunned. I was stunned by me.
Was
కాదు మేడం.
లెట్ హర్ టు టోల్ మా ఆన్సర్. అమ్మాయిని చెప్పనివ్వండి. చెప్పమ్మా.
I was stunned by his human concern absolutely.
Repeat the answer once again.
I was stunned by his human concern absolutely.
ఓకే, ఇంకా ఎవరైనా ఆన్సర్ చెప్పగలరా? Pratyusha, can you try?
same, madam.
Okay. Next question. Satyajit was directly talking to us. So the answer has to be G. Hemalata.
Satyajit was directly talking to us. We were being
good.
talked. We were being talked directly by Satyajit.
ఓకే, రైట్ ఆన్సర్. మాస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు వి యూస్ చేయాలి. వి అనేది ప్లూరల్ ఫామ్ కాబట్టి వర్ అని హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ని యూస్ చేయాలి. వెరీ నైస్ మా. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ప్రశాంతి.
Robert founded Chitramani. Chitramani was founded Robert.
చిత్రబాణి. చిత్రమాని కాదు, చిత్రబాణి. చిత్రబాణి was founded by Robert.
Robert.
Okay, so direct speeches కూడా omitted అయినాయి. బట్ టుడేస్ అవర్ సెక్రటరీ జూమ్ క్లాస్ మీకు డైరెక్ట్ ఇండైరెక్ట్ స్పీచెస్ ఉందమ్మా. క్లాస్ వర్క్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి అటెండ్ టుడే అండ్ లిసన్. నౌ కమ్ టు దట్ some linkers. Next question, you have to be practice on linkers. ఈ which linkers which with a such that తో యూస్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. Our area is highly terrain. There is no motorable roads. This is the first question. You have to use such that. మీకు తెలుసు such dots that where you have to be used. The answer has to give Venkata Lakshmi. You. Question number 1 in the question number 21.
Our area is a hilly terrain. There is no
Terrain.
motorable roads.
Answer.
Our area with such a hilly terrain.
Such a hilly terrain.
With such a hilly terrain that there is no motorable roads.
చెప్పమ్మా సచ్ ఒకటి అమ్మా విత్ అనేది ఇక్కడ కన్నా అవసరం లేదు సరే చెప్పులే.
Our area is such a hilly terrain that there is no motorable roads.
Yeah, right answer. Next question. Gautami. Gautami, second question, answer it. It was a close friendship. It lasted 22 years. This is the question, use such that. Okay, Gautami, she's not responding. Anita. Anita.
It was a close friendship. It lasted 22 years. It was such a close friendship that it lasted 22 years.
Right answer. Next one.
Madam, it mali
My answer repeat cheyamma.
It was such a close friendship that lasted 22 years.
Next question. Vanaja.
Maya Bazar is a great Indian film. People watch it కనపడలేదు మేడం.
Repeatedly.
Maya Bazar is such a great Indian film that people watch it repeatedly.
Watch repeatedly. Okay, no problem. Next question. She has an interest in drawing Mugulu. She has forgotten her name. This sentence belongs to which lesson?
What is my name?
What is my name?
What is her name? What is her name actually, the lesson?
Sharada.
Sharada. Who remember her name is Sharada?
His friend.
Her friend, amma. He's anakudu. Her friend. What's her friend's name?
Kamala.
Pramila madam.
Pramila. Lesson reading you have to be do compulsory. Okay, next question. Answer has to be Hamida.
She has an interest in drawing Mugulu. He has forgotten his name. Her name. Forgotten her name. Using such that. She has such an interest in drawing Mugulu that has forgotten her name.
She has forgotten her name. Okay. Now next question is using the linkers as, since, because. Which is suitable for the question? You have to use it and answer the question to me. Okay. First one, I missed the school bus. I woke up late. So even a reason తెలిపడానికి యూస్ చేస్తున్నారు టైం ని రీజన్ ని. సో మీరు carefully observe the question, which one is suitable, you only choose it and answer me. Okay. First question, Pratyusha.
I missed the school bus. I woke up late. I missed the school bus because I woke up late.
Right answer. Because reason చెప్తున్నారు మీరు sentence, you have to be identify the sentence of what is the reason sentence ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు మీరు because యూస్ చేయొచ్చు. Okay, now next question. One minute girl, you can take a screenshot because the class will be within 10 minutes going to be closed, so you can take a screenshots of the other pages. It's better to be answer the question and send to me. Okay, have you take the screenshots? I'm changing. You have to be take a screenshot and write the answer in the notebook and send those copies to me. I'm changing another slide. Fast it up. Next slide. Next slide. In these slides, WH questions also is there. Once again, you get the chance to be practice.
మేడం దీని వెనక పేపర్ పెట్టండి.
Okay.
దీని వెనక మేడం.
Speak in English, girls. Don't speak in Telugu. Okay, I'm going to change. Take a screenshot soon. Another slide. See how many you get it the WH questions for practicing. If we practice these, it definitely will get out of marks from the exam. Okay, total 9 you have. Okay, shall we go for? Again, back to our Incas. Okay, second question. Answer Lakshmi Devi. Lakshmi Devi. Answer the questions for second question in the 21. Using as, since, because, these linkers, conjunctions. The rains failed last year. There wasn't enough food. Use as and tell me. Lakshmi Devi. నీ వాయిస్ రావట్లేదమ్మా మాకు. Okay, let it be. Venkat Lakshmi, answer the question.
The rains fell last year. There wasn't enough food. Using the rains has failed last year. There wasn't enough food.
As the rains failed last year, there wasn't enough food. లేకపోతే since use చేయొచ్చు. Since the rains failed last year, there wasn't enough food. You have to be right like this, ma. Okay? మీరు because use చేసినప్పుడు because middle లో వస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే before the reason you have to be used because. ఆ విధంగా రాయాలమ్మా.
The rains failed last year because there wasn't enough food.
Okay. Now next question. Hemalata, answer the question.
We camped there. It was too dark to go on. Since we camped there, it was too dark to go on.
As you say.
As we camped there, it was too dark to go on.
Next question. Yan Rajesh, Bharti Arekal. Okay, Nishamma. Bharti.
Madam.
చెప్పమ్మా ఆన్సర్.
The trains were not running, so we decided to not to go travel. Many trains were not running because so we decided not to travel.
బికాజ్ సో అనేవి రెండు ఒకే చోట యూస్ చేయకూడదు. బోత్ ఆర్ లింకర్స్, వీ షుడ్ నాట్ యూస్ బోత్ లింకర్స్ డిఫరెన్స్. సో దిస్ ద రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్. ఎనీవన్ ఆన్సర్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్? Priyanka, answer the question.
We camped there. It was too dark. Go on. As we camped there, it was many trains were not running, so we decided not to travel. As many trains were not running, we decided not to travel.
యా, ఇఫ్ యూ స్టార్టింగ్ కంజంక్షన్ యూస్ చేశారు కాబట్టి సో అనేది ఒమిట్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుందమ్మా. yes, someone is talking. Another question, the last question. Tomorrow is a holiday. I can watch the cricket match on TV tonight. For this question, answer Aishwarya. B. Aishwarya. B. Aishwarya. ఈ అమ్మాయి ఎవరమ్మా? అసలు ఏమీ ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వదు. No response at all.
Tomorrow is a holiday. I can watch the cricket match on TV tonight.
Answer.
Since tomorrow is a holiday, I can watch the cricket match on TV tonight.
Since ఎప్పుడు యూస్ చేయాలమ్మా?
Before.
నువ్వు ఓకే అక్కడ యూస్ చేసావు. సిన్స్ కాకుండా వేరే కంజంక్షన్ యూస్ చేయమ్మా.
As.
You can write.
As tomorrow is a holiday, I can watch the cricket match on TV tonight.
Okay. Now the next question. Next you have to use in spite of, despite of, and although. The question first one is he had no qualifications. He got the job. Reason, result. చెప్పా Madhavilata.
He had no qualifications. He got the job. Although he inspired.
Pratyusha, what you messaged, ma? Okay. Madhavilata, answer.
ఏది వాడాలో తెలియదు.
In spite of యూస్ చే, ఆల్దోనే యూస్ చేయి. ఆల్దో చెప్తున్నావు కదా, ఆల్దో యూస్ చేయి.
ఓకే.
ఆల్దో.
Although he had no qualifications, he got the job.
Yeah, in spite of కూడా యూస్ చేయి. In spite of no, he had no qualification, he got the job. అంటే ఏంటి? తనకు కావాల్సిన క్వాలిఫికేషన్ లేకపోయినా కూడా తనకి జాబ్ వచ్చింది.
Madam.
So like this we have to be use it.
Madam.
Next question.
Madam. In spite of having no qualifications, he got the job. Kada.
ఎవరమ్మా? ప్రియాంక చెప్తావా? చెప్పమ్మా. చెప్పమ్మా ప్రియాంక.
Having no qualifications, he got the job. Kada, madam.
In spite of
Having no qualification.
no qualification, he got the job.
Got the job.
He got the job.
Right answer. Right. Next. Next question.
He is poor.
చెప్పమ్మా. He is poor but content.